Happy Monday. So today it's raining outside, so we were not able to go anywhere. So we are just being home and playing with the cards. Dakshu, can you show me xylophone? Yeah, give it to Mama. Thank you. Okay, where is fish? Can you show me the fish? Fish. Look for fish. Fish. Very good, Dakshu. And can you show me penguin? Where is the penguin? Look for penguin. Where's the penguin, beta? Yes, good job, Dakshu. Give it to Mama. Mama is so proud of you. Can you look for elephant? Where is the elephant? Very good, Dakshu. Very good. Mama is so... Dakshu, can you show me the lion? Where is the lion? Oh, wow, Dakshu. Very good, Dakshu. You're doing a good job. Okay. Can you show me horse? Where is the horse? Where is the horse? Is that the horse? Yeah. No. Where's the horse? Go look for horse. Yeah, go around the table. Yes. Where's the horse? Good job, Dakshu. Very good, baby. Mama is really, really proud of you. No? No? Okay, where is bee? Thank you. Can you show me the bee? Where is the bee? Yeah, Dakshu. Very good, beta. Okay, can you show me... what can we show? Can you show me... Be careful.